to cold water and add to the lemon mixture. Bring to the boil and put into baked flan case.
Right, bring it to boil, bring it to boil. Woo!
Yeah.
Come on, what are you doing?
That's
a scrambled egg. Ah, I can feel the heat.
Can you feel the heat? Ooh, yum.
And then, where's your flan case? Oh, something stinks like it's burning. Are you sure your thing's that?
It's something underneath.
Is it? Yeah, it's that thing on there.
And Jenny's just there washing up.
Jenny.
It's not coming together yet. Do you have to have a little oath into it? Have you? Oh, you put your sugar in. I put your sugar in for you. What are they? Are they nuts? Are they yours?
Yeah, I lost them.
I'm gonna say that.
It really stinks. It does, doesn't it?
Oh,
Too shame.
to shame.
You just said too shame. Ah, it's burning my hand.
It's burning your hand.
Hey, do you know last time I made these? They were absolutely black.
These are all 3 years to trials. You're going to be inside.
Yes, I will.
Oh, it's coming together, woohoo! Do it.
Okay. Yeah, it's a bit lumpy though.
It's meant to be a dip.
What's that white stuff in here?
I'll be able to get that out.
Egg. Scrambled egg.
Turn it off.
Oh, smoky. It's actually smoking. Like smoking oaken. Ew. I missed it.
Oh, it's gonna hold it for.
Why are you just give some of it away?
When there's a bit in there.
Hey.
Have you put in there? Yeah. It's got all that flour in there.
You got me singing that song now. My battery's proper low.
This is proper cooking for you.
Yeah, Jenny.
Cooking at cat's eye.
What are you going to use that move?
I have.
This is all you're really doing cooking, in it, Danielle?
You are.
So you actually do.
And, oh, thank you, Jenny.
I'm joking.
I'm useless now.
Hey.
You
That
can
drawing
make
that I
stuff.
did yesterday.
Ah, lovely.
It's pretty good.
And you can make this sort of thing. There are pizzas there, Jenny's.
And
Look, Jenny's. Daniel's birthday. That's Jenny. Smile, Jenny. I'm filming you, so you've got you anyway. Anyway, they're her pizzas. They're nice. And that's Danielle's drawing of her in her bubble.
Wait, where are oven
How
gloves?
nice.
Jenny, pass
These are her meringues. Are going to have the same picture on. I'm sure. And this is Amy trying to cook.
I am trying.
No, I say trying. Oh look, she's taking food out of the oven. How exciting.
right, I'm laughing something drastic went wrong now.
Well, you just what was with the different colours?
Hell? Hell?
Are they cooked?
No, they've been baked blind.
On your finger this time.
Meaning that they
I
only
bit
need
my
to be
finger.
cooked for so long, and then when the lemon and the meringue goes on top of it, it'll cook again.
Alright.
Clever or what?
She actually sounds like she's learnt something.
Dead right.
Hey, when you eat these, right, they're absolutely gorgeous, I'm telling you.
Ooh.
Aren't they, Amy?
What?
Your lemon meringues are absolutely gorgeous. You go in heaven. Heaven.
This is so uninteresting. This is why I didn't take cooking.
I've got flour all down in front now.
Shop out.
She's just a scruff, really. Yeah. Right, is there anything good going to happen? Because if not, I'm going to turn this off.
Yes.
Ooh.
Cornflour and water.
Ooh. Spooky.
Cheers.
I know, you're welcome. Right then, I'm turning this off.
Do you reckon
Say bye bye.
It was feels proper